Hello guys, today we are going to review the Bella Voste Ultimate Lip Contour Set in the shades of Victorian Rose and Sweet Nectar. So it comes in this kind of packaging. It has argan oil and jojoba oil mentioned in it, and the price is around 1150. It comes with a lip liner and a lipstick of a regular size. So let's open and see. So the first shade that we have is the Sweet Nectar. This is a lip liner. It says that it is enriched with jojoba oil. It is super soft and gliding. It is non-sticky, dermatologically tasted and easy to blend. And this is the lipstick. It is a full-size product of 4.2 gram. This is the shade and everything mentioned. Also, the ingredients are mentioned in the back of the packaging. It is enriched with argan oil. It is ultra soft texture with softening and moisturizing benefits. Now, let's taste the product. So first of all, the smell is very nice. I have already used the product so many times, as you can see in the video. It has already been used. So let's swatch it. It has a very matte pinkish shade. It is not totally pink, but it is a pink and mixture of pink and little bit of tan or brown. And it is very matte, so it is really nice for regular wear to office and college, and I wear it daily. This is a lip liner. The shade is similar, and I actually like the lip liner as it really helps, in fulfilling the lipstick. I really like to apply the lip liner, and I'm very happy with the product. Now let's move on to the other shade. That is the Victorian Rose, which is actually quite the contrary because it is very bold. I actually received this one with Glamigo box, the Glamigo subscription box. Again, the ingredients are the same, the quantity is the same. The price of the box is around 1150 from Nykaa, but in my subscription box I got it from another price. So this is the lip liner, very bold. It is a maroon brown, more of a maroon shade, dark maroon shade. I really like it, like to wear it on night, to parties for a bold look with a black dress. And the lipstick as well. It's not very creamy, it's kind of dry. That's the point of matte. I have used it around once or twice. The swatch, let's see. This is the swatch. It's very dark. Again, both, especially this Victorian Rose, I think it's a must-have for a bold look. Now let's have a close-up look, just to see the difference in color and the quantity. So as I mentioned, it's a 4.2 gram product, which is like a regular size lip product. I will open them for you to see. So this is a Sweet Nectar, which is very good for everyday wear, while this is a very bold Victorian Rose shade. This is a full amount. It's going to last a very long time, both the shades, because I just know it, a little bit of amount is like good for coverage. Along with the lip liner, I'm very happy and satisfied for the lip liners as well. So I give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.